Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Joe, and today I am so excited. We're going to the barn. It has been at least 2 months since I've seen my horse Sissy, and it's a really chilly day. Basically, each of us has a slot so that none of us are at the barn at the same time, and that's how we're able to all be at the barn and social distance at the same time. So, there she is, my little nugget. She is looking dirty and fat, just what I expected. Time to go get her. Here we go. Ugh, it is so freezing out here, guys. The wind is chilling me to the bone. It's so weird because it's pretty sunny, but it's a really chilly day. Hi, Sissy! I haven't seen you in so long! She's like, I don't know about this. I don't know what you're doing here, human. You haven't been here in so long. What are you even doing here? I was living my best vacation life. Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Oh. All right, guys, so this is my pony Sissy. She is about 19 years old, and she's very sassy, and that thing on her nose is her muzzle. She tends to get really fat in the spring and the summer, especially now during quarantine because she hasn't been ridden in literally 2 months. And you can see her mane is really overgrown. She's a little bit dirty, and you can see her spring undercoat starting to grow in kind of that orangey color, and that lighter color on her stomach is her winter coat. And so I'm gonna try and get some of that off today, and yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so I just curried her for like a second and this happened. So all that hair on her body is just shedding. And then this is what came off of the brush after like one passover. So wish me luck, people. Okay guys, here she is. She looks a little bit cleaner, a little bit more manicured, shall we say. I put some hoof polish on her hooves, so that's why they're so shiny and cute. But yeah, she's shedding everywhere, and I don't know if you can see all the hair on the ground and the hair that like blew down the aisle here, but yeah, that's all from the body. So I also can't believe that I'm saying this, but I think I'm gonna ride her bareback because I only have a 45-minute riding slot today, just so that everyone else can ride at the time they signed up for. I'm just gonna ride her bareback. Yeah. Here we go. We are walking out to find a makeshift mounting block. Here's Sissy. She's pumped. Okay, so we're still looking for that mounting block. Right, Sissy? It's so windy. Oh my gosh. So windy. We're probably going to use those jumps over here. We're probably going to use those jumps over there. I'm out of shape in the riding sense, so we are just going to do a little loop around the lake, and yeah, I'll give you a little tour. So this is a cross-country course that we're riding on right now, and it has a beautiful lake, and then it has another little pond with some cattails. And I don't think there are any horses in here right now. Sometimes there are some field borders that are put in this field, but I think we're alone today. actually, maybe I'm getting close to their nest, and that's why they're swarming over here. So I'm going to go a little over to the right. Maybe they have their nest close to the water. So I'm going to try and stay away from the lake then. Oh, they're getting really close to us. So yeah, I think we're definitely close to their nest. Yeah, definitely. I've never seen anything like this. They're definitely chasing us, but they're really cute. They're really beautiful. Yeah, they are getting super close, and it's a little strange. So it could be that because no one is really here right now, there aren't crowds of people, they've put their nests where riders are going to be riding in these fields, and they weren't anticipating that because they weren't experiencing any horses coming through. So they might be a little freaked out. Yeah, and they're still following me, so I don't know what they're doing. They're getting very, very close. And it's also weird because Sissy's so big and they're really getting close to her feet, so very strange. And they followed me all around the lake, so I don't know what they're doing. Very territorial, as they should be. And they're backing off a little bit, just a little bit. Who knew? They're very pretty and very petite. So I'll be curious if any of you guys know what they are. I'd be really curious to know. And my mom also loves birds, so I'm sure she'll look it up. And I might post it in the description for you. So this farm backs up to a national park, and this is actually part of the farm property here, but there are acres and acres of trails through the woods, and especially in the spring and the fall, it is just breathtaking. So I wish I could give you a better scale, a better sense of how beautiful those things are. But yeah, they're absolutely stunning. Easy track around the lake. I'm basically riding like a cowgirl right now with one hand. Not the safest thing. And I'm holding my camera, which is also not the safest thing. But I will be getting a GoPro soon, so you'll just be attached to my helmet, and I'll just take you on some trail rides. And there's a really fun cross-country jump there. Guys, the birds are back. They're back. What are they doing? Their nest must be over here somewhere. Because this is where I started out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go along with it. Oh my gosh, there's a to us being here, because again, there really hasn't been anyone here for 2 months, so the animals are definitely taking advantage of that, as they should. And also, in my later videos, I hope to get a glimpse of a blue heron that lives on the lake, and he's really, really stunning, so I hope that you guys will get to see that. There's another cross-country jump. I wouldn't want to take that one myself, it's a little narrow. I always love that barn over there. Oh, so beautiful, that classic red color. Some more horses over there in their fields. And if you guys are seeing how, oh, Sissy spooked at something, we're all right. If you guys are seeing how golden that hill looks, it's actually covered with buttercups. And some of you might not know this, but buttercups are completely poisonous to horses. And it's great though, because horses are really smart and they avoid eating them. But I always get a kick out of it because they're so beautiful, but they're some beautiful poison, and they grow naturally here. So yeah, I always get a kick out of that. They grow where they shouldn't be, but they sure are beautiful. And we are headed back to the barn. Just a quick trip around the lake. Buttercups everywhere. Oh yes, so much hard work, Sissy. All the way around the field. So much work. But it is because we've been on vacation, basically. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was really scary. Someone just completely slammed on their brakes and they skidded out of the road. I don't know what that's about, but I hope they're okay. And here we are, we're coming back to the barn. So I just got off. Sissy is doing something that she shouldn't be doing, eating grass with her bridle. And look at my pants, guys. Look at this. It's grain time. She is vigorously eating her grain, and then she's gonna get an apple for being such a good girl. I think she's more excited about the grain than the apple. Yeah, she is. Oh, she sees it. She smells it. Oh my goodness. still munching on it. I'm also gonna give her one of these peppermints for being such a good girl. I always keep a bucket of them in my locker. You hear the mint. You hear the crackling. Should have opened this before. Yes, I opened it with one hand. Oh. Oh. Yummy. All right, she is munching on her hay, and it's time to say goodbye. We just gave her our last peppermint, and she's gonna be in for the night because it gets cold, so they bring them in during the night and then they have them out during the day. All right, Sissy. Bye, Pony Poo. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Also, before we go, look at this manure pile. It is giant. That's like 2 months worth of poop. Oh my god.